Jubilee JJ. Today we're going to show you new package being unboxed.
Yeah, we are going to do unboxing.
We're not going to unbox the puppy. As you know, our puppy's name is Rupi.
This is first package with...
Sorry guys, I was a bit tired. I slept.
First thing is we bought in the souvenir shop.
In Waitomo, on the way to Waitomo Caves.
Waitomo Center Point, right?
Yes, a tourist center or a visitor center where people can have a stopover.
Yes.
And they sell a lot of souvenir things, which if you're from a different country and when you go back to your own place, you can buy a lot of things from there.
And second thing is my parcel, which I bought online, exactly in the eBay. We're going to open it.
Plus you can keep the link how to order the parcel. She will give the link.
She will not give the link. This one is just my hobby, so I don't think anybody interested in it. So I'm not going to put any link. Please keep watching. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you remember which you bought?
I bought a leaf notebook for you, and also I bought a t-shirt for my younger brother. Way back in India.
Shall we open it?
Yes, please.
Ta-da! What is this?
That's a leaf notebook. That's what I think. I don't know whether there's any other meaning for it, because she got a habit of writing down notes and she got a habit of writing down the diary. So I thought maybe you must be very close with the nature. When you write in the leaf notebook, maybe you can be more close and more attached to the nature. And she can write from her heart. So that is the meaning for this. I don't know, I haven't opened it. You have to untangle it. It's tangled.
Ta-da! This is really hard one. It's not a flexible paper. You can see the branch.
It's like I think it's all made from tree, where they have used the leaves as a cover for the notebook or for the diary.
You can see leaves over here.
I do believe it's a great artistic creation. I don't know whose idea is this, but it's really good, because a lot of leaves and everything is lying down in the ground. But if you have creative idea like this, you can make a diary like this.
Do you want to touch it, honey? There's something feel different, so
really. It's feel a bit different compared to the usual pages. I do feel a bit of a traditional romantic touch. As I told you before, it's only a couple of days before the Valentine's Day. So I bought it as a small Valentine's gift for you.
So, but there is two sides. So this one is rough side.
It's a bit hard.
And this one is very soft.
It shows that human person do have two sides. He or she got a soft heart, and also they have a bit rough side, other side.
So I guess write down notes at this page, and this one is just to leave it. Yeah. I like this color.
Anyway, the paper is made out of trees in it. So we got to be really happy that the entire thing is made of the tree. The leaves, the branches and the pages inside. It's a creation of the nature. Taking the resources out of the nature. Not by destroying it, but the things which have been lying in the ground. That should be the total idea of making a thing like this.
It is the back side. It's really pretty and cute.
Our puppy is there watching what we are talking to our viewers. She's very excited and very happy that she can be also a part of our show. As you know that she is a part of our family.
These t-shirts we bought for
my younger brother. When I go to India for a small visit, I want to give him something is truly kiwi that is been made in New Zealand. It has also got a significant effect and impact on the person who's wearing it. I do hope that my brother do love this t-shirt. I think he is a big fan of New Zealand. It shows it's written Aotearoa, New Zealand. But Aotearoa, it's a Maori word. It means the land of white sky. As far as I know, this is a symbol, it's a leaf.
silver front.
Silver front, yes. Is this sky or is this mountain?
Mountain.
Right.
Why? Do you want to say land of white sky?
I think it's already been mentioned here.
I really like it. Pavicheta will like it, isn't it?
Yep.
Su빈이오빠 will give you food.
Waiting for a couple of weeks.
And last one is my parcel. Do you know what it is?
I got no idea what is it.
Can you please guess?
It looks like some. Sorry. Sorry. It looks like something electronic, is it? Electronic stuff.
It's my hobby. That's why I bought. Let's open it. Oh, yeah.
It's a good covering. They've done the packaging in a really good way. It all depends upon how you pack the product, because there will be a lot of wear and tear when you order a product, especially online.
Yep. Dun 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 dun.
Wow!
Ta-da!
What is it?
Ta-da!
It's a Nucleo 64.
Ta-da!
Oh, is it a board?
Yeah, an STM32F446.
What do you use it for?
It's an embedded system. You can control this by using computer programming. You can write the code. Even you can turn on the LED. If you want to turn on the LED, you should switch on and off with your finger. But if you connect with the computer and if you writing the code, then without using your finger,
Yep.
you can adjust a lot of things.
Great discovery. I really don't have any words to explain how advanced our technology is.
It'll be fun!
Yeah! You know?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I guess that's what we prepare for today. Thanks for watching. We are
Jubilee JJ. So please do subscribe to our channel and please use your left hand or right hand to click the like button, and I do repeat again, subscribe our channel Jubilee JJ. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.
Bye.
And they have they said they have LED. Where is LED? LED가 없는데? 또야 봐.
왜 그래? 루피.